Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I will give you an update regarding SAFUU. For those of you who are new to the channel, I will give you just a short introduction. SAFUU is an auto-staking protocol. This means you buy the tokens, hold them in your wallets, and you get rewards in your wallet without doing anything, okay? Just buying and holding. So as you can see, they made some changes to the homepage. Here you can see protocol. They explain to you all the different things here. And yeah, feel free to read them or to check them out. But the major news, is the blockchain and the Dubai Crypto Expo, yeah? So they will release their own blockchain, yeah? And it's not a layer 2 blockchain, it's really their own blockchain, okay? That's what they will do. So as you can see, they changed the homepage a little bit. Here you can see SAFUU protocol, SAFUUX, that's the blockchain. Here you see SAFUU Racing. And yeah, let me, of course, as always, let me show you my investments. So we open the dashboard here. As you can see, right now we have a market cap of $144 million, okay? And you can see here, I will show you my account. Right now I have 621.89 SAFUU. This means right now I have $15,463 worth of SAFUU. And let me zoom out that you can see it here. Just by holding these tokens in my wallet, you can see every 5 days I get $1,850, yeah, just by doing nothing, just by holding the tokens. That's it, yeah. Here's the calculator. I can show you. Let me zoom in. As you can see right now, the price is 24.86, and the calculator, for example, in 30 days, if the price would stay the same, my investment would be worth $30,460, yeah. And we can even play around a little bit. Let's say, for example, in 90 days, yeah, if I just do nothing and wait 90 days, then, and the price stays the same, of course, then I will have $118,244, yeah? So roughly 118K just by waiting and doing nothing, okay? Pretty amazing. And just imagine if the price doubles or goes up more, then of course my investment will be worth even more. So yeah, let me show you the light paper. Yeah, first of all, the light paper of SAFUUX, the blockchain, okay? Let me show you. SAFUUX chain is a standalone, fast and secure blockchain, yeah, that enables developers to use smart contracts through EVM, Ethereum Virtual Machine. Yeah, so this works together with the Ethereum Virtual Machine. I will not go too much into detail. I mean, you'll find the links in the description and you can read all the white paper yourself. But I will give you just a short introduction. So it will be a stand-alone blockchain, okay, standalone. Not like any other layer 2 solution. It's really gonna be a stand-alone blockchain. And as I've mentioned before, it's gonna have EVM compatibility. And there will be some more interesting things. For example, the supported wallets will be MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Coinbase Wallet, Token Pocket. Then there will be SAFUUX Scan. That's gonna be a block explorer, okay, block explorer. A SAFUU DEX. Okay, SAFUU DEX is an automated market maker and native decentralized exchange of SAFUUX chain for instant swap of SAFUU 20 tokens. Okay, so they will have their own swap, so to say. And yeah, from the fee, there will be a 0.90% trading fee, and 0.14% of this will go back to the liquidity pool, which is amazing, I would say. And here you see how the liquidity pool. I mean, a brief overview here of this. And yield farming. Then there will also be a SAFUU bridge. So they're really doing many things, yeah, to make this protocol really big and everything, yeah. So the SAFUUX bridge is used for cross-chain transfers of assets between SAFUUX chain and the Binance Smart Chain, okay, so that they can so to say, work together. That's really amazing. And there will also be nodes, yeah. There will be 300 full nodes, and the price of one node will be $49,000. And there will also be light nodes. There will be 1,200 light nodes, and the price of one light node will be $490. So, yeah, for all the token holders, I mean, there will be automatic rewards every 15 minutes on this blockchain, okay? And in the first 8 months, there will be the fixed APY of 191,888% APY, yeah? It's gonna be like this for the first 8 months, okay? Yeah, then after the first 240 days, they will do it like this, fixed 38% fixed APR rebase and so on. I mean, you can read this in detail then. And sacrifice, what does this mean? Yeah, okay, for all the token holders, yeah, right now you have SAFUU, and then there will be the SAFUUX blockchain, okay? So, in the lead up to the official SAFUUX chain mainnet launch, there will be a sacrifice event where existing SAFUU token holders and holders of BTC, Ethereum, BNB, and so on will be able to sacrifice their current coins for SAFUUX, okay? And there will be a multiplier. So if you change your tokens, you will get, let me read it for you. The sacrifice event will be broken down into stages where the earliest sacrifices on day one will be eligible for up to a 50% multiplier, okay? And the multiplier will be decreasing over time. So the earlier you do it, the more you get, okay? So as you can see, 50% multiplier, and you will also, sacrifice made in SAFUU will get an additional 15% multiplier. That means if you change your SAFUU tokens for the SAFUUX blockchain tokens, then you will get additional 15%. Really amazing, I would say. And you will not have to pay the sell tax, which would be 60%. So altogether, this would be a benefit for you if you changed it on the first day of 81%. Really amazing, I would say. Yeah, that's the light paper. You can read it here. And the next amazing event or fact is, I also want to show you just here. You can see nodes coming soon. The sacrifice event will be from October 20th to November 20th. The testnet will launch on November 20th, and the mainnet should be ready on January 20th, okay? So, next important news, they will be at the Crypto Expo in Dubai, okay? And the Expo will be on 5th and 6th of October in the Festival Arena in Dubai Festival City. So, what can you expect? So SAFUU will be there, and they will promote their blockchain and all what is going on in their project, so to say, okay? And as you can imagine, of course, I'm pretty sure they will try to make the price very good at this time, yeah? How could they do this? They could, for example, they can they can adjust the fire pit, yeah? So the tokens that burn. So just, I mean, I can imagine that the price, I mean, right now you saw it's about $25. I can imagine that, you can see here the countdown, it's gonna be in 78 days, that the price of SAFUU will be pretty amazing on this day. Or let's say in this period of time, because they want to be an attractive investment for new investors. So I guess the chart will go up, but as always, guys, you know, it's no financial advice. I just want to show you those projects. And yeah, always do your own research before you invest your own money. But I'm not planning to sell any of my SAFUU. For me, that's a long-term investment. And the rewards are pretty amazing. As you can see, just by holding, every 5 days I get about $1,850. And it's really amazing just by doing nothing, just sitting, waiting, and you get the rewards, okay? So, yeah, guys, that's what's going on. And it's pretty amazing, I would say, what is going on with this protocol and what they are doing. And yes, guys, no, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just showing you these projects, but yeah, this is a really good project, I would say. They started in March, and I'm one of the early investors. I really invested at the beginning, and yeah, I'm doing pretty good. So yeah, if you like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them in the comments, and see you.